bones came up. It's a funny thing. None of the murders here were just ordinary. Just shooting or stabbing. They've all been sort of wild, violent, and different. God, she didn't.
You mean they're still out? Are you scared?